Welcome to our tutorial video where I'll be showing you how to use our cleaning schedule spreadsheet. Let's get into it. After your purchase, you will receive one PDF file which contains two links. One link for Google Sheets and the other one for Canva. If you want to access your Google Sheets spreadsheet, you will click on the first one over here. And Google Sheets will ask you if you want to make a copy. Click on Make a Copy. And you will have your own copy of the spreadsheet. And when you check at the bottom of the spreadsheet, you will see 5 tabs. We have our instructions tab over here, and we have our setup tab over here. And this is where you will add or delete your information. You will add all your tasks over here, your categories, assigned to, priority, and cleaning supplies. So this will work like your master sheet. And if you want to highlight all editable cells in yellow, you will click on this checkbox over here. And all editable cells will be highlighted in yellow. And this is how you will add your tasks. You will scroll down to the template like so, and you will find an empty space. This is where you will type in your task. Same for category, assigned to, priority, and cleaning supplies. And you can find the emojis when you click on insert over here, and you will scroll down, you will see emojis. Click on it. And this is where you will find your emojis. And next we have our cleaning schedule, and you can add up to 39 tasks over here. If you want access to more rows, you just have to click on this plus button over here like so, and you'll have access to the rest of the rows. And when a task is done, you can just tick the checkbox like so, and it will work the same for all the columns. And to change your date at the top left corner here, you will double click on the cell like so and choose your date. If you want to select a task, you will click on the drop down arrow like so, choose your task, and to choose an area or category, you will click on the drop down arrow like so as well and choose your area and the assigned to person. And you can tick the box when a task is done. And you will also see your progress bars over here, and all the sections work the same. You will add all your cleaning supplies over here, and you can tick the box when they are bought like so. And next we have our monthly calendar. If you want to remove the yellow background, you can go back to the setup tab over here and untick the box like so. And we have our monthly calendar where you can schedule your tasks across the week. And it works the same. You will just choose your task like so and the name of the person. And if the task is done, you can just tick the box like so. And to change your year, you will double click on the cell like so, press on backspace and type in your year. And to select your month, you will click on the drop down arrow here and select your month. And you can also choose your start date, whether you want it to be a Sunday or a Monday. And below that, we have a section where you can add all your monthly cleaning supplies here. And once they are bought, you can tick the boxes like so. And if you want to print this monthly calendar, you will select your cells like so, all the cells, all the way to row number 62. You will click on File at the top left corner here, like so, and scroll all the way down to Print and choose Print. You will select Current Sheet or Selected Cells, and you will choose your paper size over here. And from there, you can choose Landscape and choose Fit to Page. And the margins, you want them to be normal. And from there, you will click on Next. And you can choose all pages, or you can just click on the drop down arrow over here and choose Custom and enter number 1. And you can leave the color option. And to choose your destination, you will click on the drop down arrow over here. You will choose the name of the printer over here, or you can print it as PDF first. And if you choose to print it as PDF first, it will be saved in your computer under your downloads. Or you can just choose the name of the printer and it will print. So I'm not going to print anything for now. I will just click on cancel, and that's how you will print your calendar. And you will do the same for your schedule over here. If you want to print your schedule, you will highlight all the cells like so, and you will click on file, print, and you will follow the same process. And next we have our 30-day cleaning challenge. And if you want, you can change this step to any challenge you want to participate in. You will see a column for day. This will show the number of days. And when a task is completed, you can tick the checkbox like so to show that it has been completed. And this is how this section will work. Let me show you how you can access your Canva template. You will click on this section over here. For you to be able to edit the template, you will click on Edit Template. And if you have an account with Canva, it will open like this and you'll be able to edit. If you don't have an account with Canva, you will have to open an account first for you to be able to edit. And you'll be able to edit your template and print it. And if you have any further questions or need more support, please contact me. Until next time.